Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some Bounty chocolate bars. So if you love Bounty, let's just get started. So first of all, I'll get a bowl and come in with my coconut flakes. I must say the amounts really depend on you. If you want more, you can use more, and if you want less, you can just use less. Here I'm using about 300 grams. Next, I'll come in with about 100 grams of condensed milk. I'll give it a good mix. Finally, I'll come in with some coconut milk. I'll use about a tablespoon. With the help of my fingers, I'll mix it up very well. I'll take a piece and shape it up. You can shape it into any shape you want, but I just want to replicate the original Bounty. After shaping everything, this is what we have here. I'll get some dark chocolate and melt it up in the microwave. Then I'll drop my bars into the warm chocolate. I'll make sure it's coated very well. So basically, this is what I'll do to all the bars. I'll touch the surface with my fork to really replicate the original Bounty. Afterwards, I'll put this in the fridge for about 2 hours. So after 2 hours, this is what we have here. As you can see, it's hardened up very well. With the help of a knife, I'll just get rid of the excess chocolate. And this is what we have here. Our Bounty chocolate bars are ready. And I must tell you, these are so delicious. And as you can see, it was so easy to make. Kids are going to love this. I really do hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. You can send me pictures if you want to. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.